Good afternoon. It's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty, and this afternoon I'm here in Castro Valley, downtown Castro Valley. I have a townhouse coming up this week. Actually, it should hopefully be open this weekend at 20236 San Miguel Avenue. It's in a nice, older, smaller community. It's an HOA, homeowners association of townhomes here. The unique thing about this place is it's 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, 2-story unit. Has this garage with interior access, which is kind of hard to find. But we're going to be listing this property for $675,000. Should be on the MLS here the next day. You've got reserved parking here on the side, so you got inside parking, outdoor parking, and it also has a patio yard. But a nice cozy community. 2 bedroom, 1.5 bath, 986 square feet of living space, and I'll take you inside. Good sized living room area with recessed lighting, formal dining, updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances, refrigerator will stay, electric stove, glass top stove, exhaust fan, dishwasher. You have dual pane windows throughout. Granite counters. You have this laminate flooring downstairs. Plantation shutters. Good lighting throughout the unit. A lot of storage for a townhouse. And then you also have this outdoor patio yard. It's a rainy Thursday today, but it's a sizable patio. You actually have dirt, so if you wanted to create your own garden, it's always a big plus for these units. And then downstairs here, we also have a half bathroom, guest bathroom. So very easy, very convenient floor plan, affordably priced here for Castro Valley. Walking distance to many restaurants, to the village. I think it's about 1.5 blocks away. Insulated garage door. But 1-car garage, good for a decent sized vehicle. Garage door opener. I believe this is a brand new water heater. You have the circuit breakers here. And then obviously out here in the garage you have the laundry. So I believe the laundry is, I think it's hooked to gas right now. And you also have available 220. I can see the outlet there in case you have an electric dryer. More room up on top in the rafters if you wanted to be creative to put storage up there. So I was thinking these places with an attached garage with interior access, to me, would be the selling feature of this unit. And then we'll go upstairs. So this will be the bigger of the two bedrooms, the primary bedroom. Again, has dual panes upstairs, dual pane windows. Here's the view. I believe the fire department is on the other side of that wall. But a nice clean HOA. Decent sized room. You have two separate closets, here and here. All the flooring upstairs is carpeted with ceiling fan. It's remote operated, raised panel doors. And then the other bedroom, secondary. And then decent sized closet. Has central heat. Linen storage here and here. Access to the attic. And then lastly, the full bathroom upstairs. Single vanity. The granite style countertop. Tile flooring. You know, upgraded at one point. Has a shower over tub. Just a very nice, convenient layout. 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. And ready for sale. My name is Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty. If you have any questions, give me a call. My number is 510-506-8686. And thank you for viewing today.